Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the Grok Mentoring Program, and today is Thursday, January 27th, 2011, and let's take a look at the vNewsletter stock report. First off, we're taking a look here at the S&P 500, and you can see that we do have a higher high today and a higher low, so we continue our bullish run. Now we're still sitting on that trend line, so even though we're bullish, we're not overly bullish, which is to be expected though. We've got some major overhead resistance here, not only the 1300 line, but if we look back in time here, and I'll shrink this up, if I can even get this all on there, I got to go way back here. You can see we have some swing highs way back here. This is August of 2008. August of 2008. So lots of resistance above. You're going to want to keep your eye on that. Plus we have GDP report coming out tomorrow, so definitely be aware of those things. Alright, we're looking at our bull stock of this week. That was GNTX. We're looking at a daily chart here, and GNTX had earnings come out, and that's what you see here. We have a high wave candle, a much higher high, a much higher low, a little kind of doji body in the center, a lot of indecision. We did have a pullback set up here. Yesterday was if you weren't paying attention to earnings, you may have gotten triggered in yesterday. However, I didn't play this particular stock because of the earning reports today. You never know what could happen, and take a look at what we have here now. We opened today, shot screaming up, only to come straight back down, and then throughout the day we sprang back up here, only to close a little bit lower. So a lot of indecision there. If you're not currently in this trade, now is not the time to enter. You're going to want to wait to see what this guy decides to do. Can we make a lower swing low, or I'm sorry, a higher swing low? That would be another possible entry. So right now we're just going to have to watch this guy. If you're not in it, now is not the time to get in it. If you are in it, you're going to want to make sure that you adjust your stops accordingly. Lots of volume today. Good news about the MACD. If we take a look at that here, we finally have an uptick and we're back positive. We're back above the zero line. So things are looking bullish, but again, we're going to want to wait up for a new setup before considering getting into this stock. So we're going to track this guy a little bit here, a little bit there next week. We'll check in to see how he's doing. Our other stock that we have been tracking, and then we kind of dropped off the radar here, and I'd like to bring it back in now because it's starting to look bullish again, is FOSL. FOSL. We're looking at daily here, still in that bull flag. We have higher highs today, higher lows, nice bullish candle above the 20-day moving average. MACD, let me shrink this up again here for a minute. Take a look at that MACD. You can see that we're getting close to crossover into the positive territory. Got a nice positive tick on the histogram as well. Things are looking good. An entry here would be a close above the flag, the top of the flag. So possible entries right here. Now, what I'd like to see tomorrow actually, or the next 2 or 3 days, is a little consolidation here before the breakout to prove that the buyers are not ready to sell yet. So FOSL's looking decent. Keep your eye on that. Finally here, let's go ahead and look at our bear stock. And that's never good when you lose your screen here. Where the heck did it go? And our bear stock here, GRMN, still hanging out in its triangle. So things are doing well here. You want to continue to watch this. Possible entry would be a close behind this, or below this swing low here. That's the first possible entry. I'd like to pass the shadows as well there. So there's one. A more conservative one would be down here in this area. Markets are not bearish at the moment, so we're going to continue to watch this one. We're getting close to the apex. Stocks don't like to get pinched, so we can expect a breakout or a breakdown soon. Remember, if it breaks out, this is not a bullish stock, it's a bear stock. It has weak fundamentals. I would not be interested in going long if it broke out. I'm only looking here for a breakdown. Well, today's Thursday, so that means it's the end of the trading week. Tomorrow's our last day. I don't know about you, but looking forward here to the weekend. It's been a very long week, so have a great weekend and rest up, everybody. We'll be talking to you again next week.